In this video, I will talk about how statisticians work with data sets and try to simplify things a bit. To start out, we have taste tester ratings of two coffees, coffee A and coffee C. There were 32 ratings for each, and you can see a dot plot of each here. The dot plots are helpful, and you can find some trends. Pause the video a minute, and what do you notice between these two ratings? You probably noticed ratings of coffee A were more in the middle. A lot of people were okay with the coffee, didn't have real strong feelings one way or another. Coffee C, on the other hand, didn't have too many ratings in the middle. Quite a few people liked it, rated it pretty highly, and then some didn't like the flavor at all, rated it pretty low. But making dot plots, comparing them, this is a little bit tedious and a lot of work. So statisticians want to reduce this and try to come up with just a few numbers to talk about the data and understand the data. One way they do this is look at what we call measures of center. Mean and median are both what we call measures of center. They tell us about the center of the data. So in this case, coffee ratings for coffee A had a mean of 6. On the other hand, the ratings for coffee C had an average of 5.6. We can see the centers, or the middle part of these data, are fairly close. What about the median? Maybe that makes a difference. Well, if you take a look at the median, it is 6 for coffee A and it's 5.5 for coffee C. Not much different. So we see, regardless of which measure of center we use, we get fairly similar ratings for both coffees. It doesn't tell us enough. What we need to do now is take a look at what we call measures of variability. There's two common measures of variability. One is what we call the mean absolute the mean absolute deviation, and the other is standard deviation. Okay. Both of these are used, but standard deviation is used in more advanced statistics.